Energy, Isis. Me boy. As it is. This is the earth illusion grid, the frequency. As it is uniting the frequency. Not trespass the overload of the bad frequency. Is giving zombie. And this is the nature human good side as it is. Calling Anubis, the last day to not fight at the high intensity bad frequency accumulation by us Isis energy accumulation separation in knowledge and ignorancies with two nuts at the base of the frequency rule the condition of earth and humankind at the end before they go away forever at 2033 for 6 years of tribulation. Beginning at 2027 is 7G. Bad frequency is a trespass to making zombies and earthquakes, so we have to use 2, 3, 4G gadget. Bad frequency usage making done the 6th tribulation at the smallest point that is done, and using not more than the bad generation 5, 6, 7G that is making the case 6 tribulation in this worst case of or 2 nuts that could be too late to use before we are replaced in bunker a space that is not access the line of the 2033 line of natural frequency that is ruling back his hurt and humankind start again. The time is given enough for exit the matrix, complete human species out by having the little pieces of mind sticking right, holding a perfect grid, not open again the zombie show how ugly the mind is turning at the end before the frequency disorder is ending his last irritation, that we holding it in the smallest point accumulation by having us all in one same point view, that having a direct touch on the frequency accumulation activation by not using it at all at zero at this point. Don't eat the snow at this point at zero will kill us for the same bad frequency, intense or not. Stealers or bad man will have the same death at 2033, and having inherency to the surrender frequency attachment affectation to not be fast enough to having easy detachment to be out of the last date of the frequency. Take it really serious to remember that thinking right is the clue that will show that the stealers, murderer, spiritual war, 3 individual that has been turned in zombie first and ending at the same affectation, that natural frequency when is returned at 100% will kill whatever, if you're having electricity, bad emotion, gay, lesbian, eating meat, if you stay in the city, if you go to the job routine, having the out of your mind to be in the point to to not be late, and having an advanced advantage to not be in the bad case of the return to the frequency, ruling back again. The time has been given by God enough to use it right, and not losing the creation to the many waste of time on earth. Always zombie again to taste, to slow it down by our content that we having a direct dominancy, by having us out of the ignorancy that we have to not be late. And this good cycle will return again, this time given to not open it by a simple mind that is holding the waste of time, be open again, and not see the ugly mind begin by having not surrender affectation, but at the end it is. So be ready to having now your 2, 3, 4G and not holding 5, 6, 7G. The bad generation that holding the reuniting state of the frequency, affect, surrender, separation, by holding us in the clue to holding the bad frequency intensity at this original source at 25%, that has begin at first and the small 10%, and have be employee 25% for sure on scene fast, and as long we didn't see the torture, cruauty has always been for a long time, since 25%, and after they have ending this harvest of the bad frequency become more suggestible when they have 1G, 2G, 3G, and 7G is enough. So we have to ending the bad frequency time in this list as 25 cents, not turning at 70%, 70 cents is too much for us. To try to not be us is not have a safe match, and we have to understand the earth has one match to exit us out of complete human species, by having us all in the same view, by thinking all us right, when it will start again at 2033. The good species will having access the survive by having what is taking to not be dead in the bad cycle for a simple bad mind, or a simple eating meat 8 months before, and simple electricity, you have to turn it off, and simple less accumulation of your gadget to be fast to detach it when it's coming to the time that is has been counted, that is have the bodies cannot go forever, so it has limited the two side, and we have to turn the wheel when it's going to be the good side, to exit success by the mind thinking right, by resisted and inflate your pressure in the good side, that in bad side it has a flat tire, and the good side is that does not stay in the flat, restore the flat, and the wheel is ready to spin. The overload on the good side is giving irreversible, and the stay will never go back down again, because in the bad side, this is not stay, and it was not real. So we need to complete the creation of God by not using it. This point of losing creation, this was not the plan of God. It was realized that the surrender has to be the case of the vulnerability to protect it and do good with it, because the bad has to be stopped, because the creation's gonna be lost anyways, and in this high point of the bad has been limited, because before he was worst. Now, before you lose the creation, God has give a last chance, irritation point, that the zombie will change the mind to be bad again. And this is the only way the bad has to face how it's important to not be a stealer, murderer, spiritual war. The three individuals that now need to be ready to detach it and not be late to face down the zombie, that the rage is not stay the same at 70% bad frequencies, exploring a 30% walking edge to detach easy by adding a drug, medication, and agitation, frenetic in a bad side, that is making the frequency be overload, and counting down the 30% that was the last edge of the soul frequency rules the condition to walking alive. Oh, what's up? Oops. What? You are thoughts of God. The God dogs. The child that complete the human to the next world. By stop doing baby while you're doing sex and go get a dog And hey, don't eat some snow. And the logic added sin to the morale, making more than 2 when they had in the 2. Hey, va pas trop loin. Hello, Surfing USA. Hello, Surfing USA.
Yeah, nice. Nice weather. But then next week we're supposed to get 30 centimeters of snow Wednesday.
Okay.
Fucking crazy up down. Oi.
We got the plug. We just need to add in 2, 3, 4G.
If it snows, it's warm, but if it's no big wind and cold.
Yeah, but we need to do something. You know, we are the power.
Yeah.
We just need to plug 2, 3, 4G.
Right, yeah.
Because it's crazy what is coming.
Yeah.
We cannot believe because we didn't see.
Government blinded us.
We're gonna flip our crazy good when it's gonna be. We believe it. May have to react.
I hope so.
Yeah.
This old lady got bit by a dog yesterday.
Huh?
Liana's mom got bit by a pit bull Rottweiler yesterday.
Wow.
In her yard on Balsam Street.
Oh wow.
And she's so small, she tried to fight the dog. She's like 71.
Huh?
A big pit bull Rottweiler. She's 71. Old lady Liana and Daisy. Yeah, she was scared and she went to the police. I don't know, they're charged now.
Oh, cookie.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so okay.
Fucking boys are bad. They called her old witch and everything.
Oh, that's crazy at the end. The human has some disappointment,
Those kids
tribulation,
are crazy.
personal case, you know, confidential.
Boys on that Balsam Street are crazy. They're higher than a kite.
Yeah, that is poverty.
In her yard, she was going to town.
That is
bad, yeah.
That's suffering, poverty, no?
Yeah.
Oh, it's affecting humans. It's so it's killing us.
Some are very mean and vicious.
We have power in our heart.
Yeah.
And we're gonna rumble our true that 2, 3, 4G will beat all this bad at the end, bad whatever was the frequency disorder attachment. This delivered 2 weeks and all is gone just by us.
I hope so.
2 weeks.
Keep my fingers crossed.
It's fucking fast, you know. Yeah.
I have to give this pill.
Yeah. But the bad is gonna be fast in reverse at 7G.
Yeah.
That is gonna be of course, because Ontario is gonna crack.
Yeah.
And we have to leave 2027.
Oh yeah.
And not stay here.
Oh boy.
Yeah, it's gonna crack. But the time will repair the Ontario, but it's gonna be dangerous at 2027. Yeah. We're gonna replace it. Yeah.
Hey, have a good day, Rob.
I leave you, yeah.
Yeah.
Talking about my chicken bébé. Oh, that's very good. Attends, oui, couchi. Oh, my chicken caca. Can you do something really good? Like something else? See all the guts. That is so easy. I really strong. I'm fucking right. I pas trop les fesses là. You're God's cop, God. You deliver the thanks and pardon. Huh? Fulfill. Okay? The thanks, the appreciation. The four value is the pardon, appreciation, the love, and the thanks. That has to elevate your frequency soul and stand in the foundation to overload it and grab your fruit of your spirit undistorted and perfect to making a juice of it while you have the gift after your life to exit the matrix. This is the gift when you are good. And this stick has glue, like a gorilla climbing your tree of life of the holy dimension, waiting for us to knowledge back your power of God that has been corrected in all this dimension. God has given enough time to pass through, but be done with 3D once is has be rooted and closed, because it's irreversible when you have your soul mission that God wants you to complete, to be a human species and complete and complete next dress to the other dimension given, that is have a tree of life rooted a 3D edge to close it forever as a fast lapse of 4 elevation. And this is a 3, and this is closed as the root, and after that 5, like a stair to even, and you have this is a 4, this is 3, and this is 5, and this is 6, this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You have your fruit at the peak of the fruit of knowledge of the tree of life to climb as a gorilla glue, stick on the logic and moral that is holding the open view to thankful pardon, appreciation, and love. That is as a view that is keeping the soul direct touch. Come here, what are you doing? You have hit some snow. High five. And this 4 laps is 3. Hey, mange pas la neige. 5, 7, 9, 11. Hey. Attends. Non, attends, elle fait la belle. Ok, attention. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have the high five. And this, you're closing the first, and after you have 4 level. And you have a 4 step and wall. So the wall is all pink and the 4 next laps. This is real having more dimension, like more dimension than what we have seen already. Hey, non, va pas là. Viens ici. Non, viens ici. Allez. so you see it's dirty. You don't go there. And after you have to put it wholly, really crazy, fully good. A fulfillment of the frequency. But you have to do it. To do it, you have to see it. And when the personal, confidential will be losing, we will have the last chance to not be affected and such. But this could be worse if we not react as a bombshell to our SOS pensament. Come on, you bury your girl. Hey, your buddy is a man. Come here. You gotta watch out. You can turn in really ugly. Do not care of your buddy. With the woman inside you. You're too gender to care. The regularity and a singularity. Hey, no. Oh, Mama, Mama, come here. Don't do this. No, Mama, hold. Hold on, Mama. Come on. No, I'm talking. Take it, Yankee. I got you. I have saved you. You gotta watch the Bobo, okay? Oops. Come. Oh. You wanna do? Okay, bring. Commander. Okay? How was you? Don't kill the princess. Stay perfectly undistorted. By stop touch it and stay your hand in your pocket. Hey, come here. Come on, you're right. Oh. Chicky Bobo. Bobo, mama. Your bananas. Have fun with all the bananas in your tree of life. Okay, stick on your logic and moral and stay in your life. Do something good. You are really something else. But good. The good side of the unknow. You have to pay attention to it. Yeah, how far now? It's really good. Hey, bring.